This Jergens Natural Glow review, I'm going to tell you, I absolutely do love the Jergens Natural Glow. This is the medium to deep version, and I use this all year round. I use it in summer, I use it in winter. It helps give my body just a little bit of a glow, a little bit of a sun look. I do try to stay out of the sun if at all possible and try to use sunscreen everywhere to protect my skin. And the Jergens brand has always been tried and true for me. This it doesn't have it has a Jergens smell, so it smells like Jergens, but it gradually creates flawless, natural looking color. I'm careful when I go over my elbows, when I go over my knees, because it is kind of doing a gradual, selfless tan. So I make sure, and sometimes I even mix it with another moisturizer, and that works really well for me as well. But the Jergens Natural Glow, it's infused with coconut oil. It is paraben free, cruelty free. I try to keep this with me at all times and use it after every single shower just to keep my skin, a little bit of color on my skin, summer or winter. Put it in your cart today.